Hey CakeFaceFam, so today I'll be swatching all 72 shadows, so buckle up, this will be a long one. I did have to edit out a lot of footage because of how many shadows there are. I wanted to make this a watchable length. So let me know in the comment section down below if there are any specific colors that you would like to see me compare more closely in another video. I went ahead and swatched all of these over primed skin. I used the Vizier eyeshadow base on my arm, and I did both finger and brush swatches. For the brush swatches, I used the Esam G27 brush, which is a fabulous goat-haired C-shaped semi-flat brush. I used it for both matte shadows and textured shadows with sheen. It works well with both. This is shot in a combination of both natural and studio lighting. My window is open, I'm getting good light in, but I also have my studio lights on just to make it bright enough to be able to see the colors. For the most part, I only need to dip my brush or finger into the pan once, but there are some shades that are a little bit sheerer that don't quite go as long away, so I have to dip in a couple times, and for the most part you'll see that in the footage. I love these shadows, and I think that you'll see why in the swatches. The diamond formula is my personal favorite. It has the most glitz and glam. It's got these sparkles, and there's a little bit of variety in what kind of finish you get with the diamond formulas, but for the most part they have micro glitter or they've got some duochrome color shifts, and they're just really pretty. The texture of those are really interesting because they have this wet, bouncy, moldable texture, and you'll see these big dips in the pans because as I go to pick up product to swatch, it's a very movable product, very soft. It's beautiful on the skin. The mattes are really lovely too. They're ultra matte, very easy to blend, and the shimmer formulas are interesting because I see a wide variety of finishes with the shimmers. You get some that are very metallic, some that are a little bit more sheer and just like a sheen, some that are what I would consider to be satin. There's even one matte shade that is more like a satin, so I kind of group it with other similar textures. But the way I'm going about these swatches is I'm kind of grouping the pans by color, so I try and do all the greens together, all the blues together, etc. But sometimes I'm not able to fit all of one color on my arm at once, so we have some stragglers that get paired in with not like colors. As you'll see later, there's like a periwinkle that's with these lighter shimmery shades. I hope that you enjoy. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section down below. Let me know what colors most appeal to you, if you've tried these shadows, if you have some favorites. I'm gonna go ahead and stop talking and play some music. I hope you enjoy. Bye!
this be another knot to tie around my bed at night? I know I've lost the fight to erase your face, my mind. Awake, I lie here staring up beyond the sky.